Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Mova Z60 Ultra Roller Complete Robot Vacuum and Mop. I've looked through the internet, checked robot vacuum comparisons, user feedback trends, and real-world cleaning expectations. And in this video, I'm going to break down whether this robot is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The first thing that grabs your attention is the suction power. At 28,000 pascals, the Mova Z60 Ultra Roller Complete sits among the highest-rated robot vacuums currently available. While suction numbers alone don't tell the entire story, they do provide a good indication of cleaning potential. In real-world use, this level of power is designed to handle everything from fine dust and pet hair to larger debris that many lower-powered robots can struggle with. For homes with pets, children, or heavy daily foot traffic, strong suction can make a noticeable difference in keeping floors consistently clean. One of the most interesting features is the roller-based mopping system. Unlike basic drag pad mops found on many robot vacuums, the Z60 uses an active roller design that continuously works across the floor surface. This allows for more effective removal of dirt, footprints, and light stains. The extendable roller further improves edge coverage by reaching areas that traditional robot mops often miss, helping reduce the need for manual touch-up cleaning along walls and furniture edges. The extendable side brush follows a similar philosophy. Corners and edges are typically some of the most difficult areas for robotic cleaners to handle effectively. By extending when needed, the brush can pull debris from tight spaces into the robot's cleaning path, improving overall coverage and reducing the number of missed spots. Pet owners will likely appreciate the zero-tangling Duobrush system. Hair wrapping around brush rollers remains one of the most common complaints among robot vacuum owners. By specifically engineering the brush design to minimize tangles, Mova aims to reduce maintenance requirements while maintaining strong cleaning performance over time. In practical terms, this means less time spent cutting hair off rollers and more time letting the robot do its job. Another standout feature is the AutoShield carpet protection system. Mixed floor homes can be challenging for robot vacuums because carpets and hard floors require different cleaning approaches. AutoShield is designed to protect carpets during mopping operations while still allowing the robot to transition efficiently between floor types. This makes the Z60 more versatile in homes that combine hardwood, tile, rugs, and carpeting throughout different rooms. The obstacle crossing capability is particularly impressive. Most robot vacuums struggle with raised thresholds, room transitions, or thicker rugs. The ability to cross obstacles up to 3.14 inches gives this robot significantly greater mobility than many competing models. In larger homes with varying floor levels or challenging layouts, this can reduce the likelihood of the robot becoming trapped or requiring manual assistance. Navigation and smart mapping are equally important in a premium robot vacuum, and the Z60 is designed to intelligently map rooms, optimize cleaning routes, and avoid unnecessary repetition. Efficient navigation not only improves cleaning coverage, but also helps maximize battery life by reducing wasted movement. In everyday use, the Mova Z60 Ultra Roller Complete feels less like a simple robot vacuum and more like a fully automated floor maintenance system. It is clearly designed for users who want maximum automation, strong cleaning performance, and minimal maintenance, particularly in larger homes with multiple floor types and frequent cleaning needs. I've looked through the internet, checked reviews, user experiences, and competitive alternatives, and I'm going to give you my recommendation. If you want a premium robot vacuum with extremely strong suction, advanced mopping technology, superior obstacle handling, and pet-friendly features, this is absolutely a product worth considering. The combination of powerful cleaning hardware and intelligent automation makes it one of the more capable robotic cleaning systems currently available. However, if you live in a small apartment or only need occasional maintenance cleaning, many mid-range robot vacuums can provide excellent results at a significantly lower cost. The Z60's advanced capabilities are most valuable in larger homes where its premium features can truly be appreciated. Overall, The Mova Z60 Ultra Roller Complete Robot Vacuum and Mop delivers a flagship-level performance, cutting-edge cleaning technology, and impressive automation features. For homeowners looking to invest in a high-end robotic cleaning solution that minimizes manual work while maximizing floor cleaning performance, this is one of the most compelling options in today's premium robot vacuum market.